Unbeknownst to many in the baseball world, a new ballpark is taking shape before their eyes. We're in East Chicago, Indiana at Block Stadium, an old school ballpark receiving a much needed facelift. Let's take a look inside and see what this place is going to look like in the years to come. Last time that I was here, you did not have this brick exterior. You did not have this overhang. Hold on. That's my thumbnail. I mean, this looks like a minor league ballpark. It looks like this could be home to a summer collegiate league. And believe you me, I'm sure there'll be a few chomping at the bits to play here once it's all done. Don't know if we can get inside because it's a construction zone. But the gate is open. I don't know. Wouldn't be the first time I've walked into one of these places, but we'll see. All right, here's our first look at the new E.J. Block Stadium. Apparently the field is in perfect condition. Yeah, these look brand new. You got these nice cool lights. Your inner concourse, we still have brick that needs to be laid out. And here we are. This is gorgeous. Covered grandstand. Handicap seats. Protective netting all around the facility. So here we are underneath the new grandstand. Construction's being taken place as we speak. Construction workers are walking around. This is going to be one heck of a facility once it's completed. I can't wait to come back and watch whatever baseball is being played here. You can definitely see things taking place for 2022, if not for the fall of 21. This is nice up here. You have a second concourse. It still keeps the charm of the old ballpark. And they're constructing something over here. We'll see what that is in a few months as well. All right, so we got like some nice back chairs here. Press box is right up there. And this will be home for the East Chicago High School baseball team. It's gorgeous. They have a great basketball facility, a nice football field, and now they have probably one of the better high school fields in the state. And ideally, if you could put a summer collegiate league team here, Prospect League, Midwest Collegiate, even if the Northwoods League want to sniff down here, this is more than applicable. You just have to make sure you have spots for party decks and suites, and you can serve alcohol here. But there's definitely more than enough seats. It's large enough to be able to house one of those summer collegiate leagues. Not professional or Frontier League or anything like that. Here's another look around. Just simply amazing out here, and the field is gorgeous looking. We'll take another look. The columns. Wonderful little view of this grand old ballpark. Scoreboard, watering the grass. Field is well enough to play on. Obviously not the warning tracks. But this will be a lot of fun when it's all said and done. Let's just see how these seats are. Covered from the elements. This will be a lot of fun. I think what I like what they did here is they kept the integrity of the old block stadium. And it just looks like a new, improved version of it. If somebody walked in here, they would say, yeah, it's a new stadium, but it was definitely built on some older bones. I'm kind of curious how much was left of the old ballpark. You know, are these nice steel pillars and columns from the original stadium built so many years ago, or not? I'm just really hyped about seeing baseball here. Can't wait for this to be completed. So continue our tour of Block Stadium, and just in case you want to know where we were, there's that really cool front facade, which is key. I love nice front facades at ballpark. Sometimes they're a little bit too generic and not that fancy. Here's the press box right here. Anybody here? Nope, nobody's there. All right, so we can tell it's becoming ADA accessible. Locker rooms, batting cages. This will be an area for food trucks and concessions. They're going all out with this place. Once again, we can look at the scoreboard out there, which I assume that's going to be the scoreboard they're going to open with, but who knows? Maybe there's a new one. But you can just smell the freshness of the new poured concrete and whatever. I tell you, it's gonna be a lot of fun when this opens up. I can't wait. There it is, folks. Little lights. Or this could be like a party area. I'm kind of curious what that would be. And here's that beautiful grass. It is very nice. You can play ball in it right now. So, Block Stadium will be much more than just a high school facility. It's going to probably be the home for community events, concerts maybe, and summer collegiate baseball. I cannot imagine a summer collegiate team not coming here, and I'm sure there'll be a few fighting over it. This is absolutely wonderful to look at. It looks like your old classic ballparks. EJ Block is not considered one of those ballparks people wax poetic about unless you're from the area. That should change pretty soon. But just look at that. It reminds me of some of those classic covered grandstands like in Clinton or Williamsport, Pennsylvania, even Spartansburg. All modern, all new, all state of the art. I have to say, it is much bigger of a stadium than I remember. There's the scoreboard, old chimney, and pretty soon these will be splattered with advertisements galore. If you notice the scoreboard, it is a few feet behind left field here, but we still have mounds of dirt, misplaced pieces of stadium, but they're working hard. Picture these concourses with booths and tables and kids running around and fans holding beers and soda. It's a lot to look forward to in the coming years. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed our visit to Block Stadium. We will be back sometime soon. So until that day happens, this is Mark the Ballpark Hunter saying goodbye, take care, thank you for checking me out, and make sure you subscribe. New content every week, Monday and Thursday. Like, comment, tell me how I'm doing. and we'll see you at the ballpark. Take care. I'm the Ballpark Hunter. If you like my videos, please hit subscribe as I visit another ballpark.